You're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. Alright, if today is the first time of seeing this channel, do well by subscribing. Subscribe. Like the videos, comment in the comment section, ask your questions, share this video with friends, invite people to subscribe to this channel. Alright guys, in today's episode, welcome to another episode of bag making tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make another beautiful travel bag or traveling bag. So let's get into the detail of the video. So this is it. All right, so now I'm using a leather material. You can decide to use your fabrics. You can use any material that you feel will come out well for you. So any material will be okay for this particular design. Okay, so the measurement is 20 inches by 30 inches. So the wideness is 20 while the length is 30 inches. So I folded the 30 inches side into two, which means I have 15 here. All right, so I marked from the bottom. Let's start from the bottom. I marked 3 by 3 inches. Okay, I measured 3 by 3 inches, so you can see my mark. I mark it 3 by 3 inches on the two sides of the bottom, and then when you come to the top side, you measure 3 by 2.5. 3 by 2.5. This is 2.5. Okay, so you mark it 3 by 2.5. Okay, so now all you need to do is, after you mark, then you cut it off. So I'm cutting off all the marked sides. So I'm going to get back for the continuation. All right, so let's get, after you cut, the next thing to do is I'm going to be using, you can use any material to stitch the top. So I'm using this bias. I'm using 1 inch bias to just bias it. And you can use any beautiful color of your choice. Alright, so I'm going to repeat the same thing on this other side as well. Alright, so now this is the belt I'm using. Okay, so it's 1.5 inch belt. Okay, so now what I'm going to be doing is, we'll do it like this, starting from the midpoint like this. So you measure 2 inches from here, so that by the time, so here will also be 2 inches. So you just do it like this. So 2 inches on this side as well, and then this is what we are going to be having. So you stitch it up this way. So this is what we're going to be having. So when I'm done with this, I'll get back to you. So the spacing you leave here is 2.5 inches. So this is what we have. So basically what you do is you put it just the way I showed you. Okay, now the next thing to do is to fix our zip close. I'm going to be fixing my zip close. Alright, so I'm going to place it like this and top stitch. Alright, so after fixing the zip close, the next thing is to fix my zip head. So All right, so the next thing is to turn it. So just turn it inside out. All right, so the next thing is to stitch this side and stitch this side. All right, so then after you top stitch, you stitch it, then use any material to just cover. All right, to cover the roughness or the stitch. These two. Just to stitch here like this. Fold it this way, stitch. Fold this way, stitch. Also come here, you stitch. Come here and stitch. So this is what we have. So I'm going to be biasing all this side, okay? So I'll show you when I'm done. So let's turn. Let's see what we have. If you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, you are wrong. Kindly subscribe to this channel, this wonderful channel, where we teach you bags and other DIYs. So use your hand to bring out the sides. Bags. So this is what we have here. So thank you so much for your time. See you in my next video. Subscribe to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. If you have watched to this point and you are yet to subscribe, Abba, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and click on the likes button. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye for now.